Sorry, this is kind of crooked. I know it's crooked. I know it's like slanted. It's on a slant. Hey guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you are new here, what is up? As you can already tell by the title, this is going to be another one of my salad recipes. I know, it's getting a bit crazy, but I feel like it's very, very easy to fall into like a routine and you're eating the same types of salads and then it gets boring and you don't want to eat salads anymore because they're boring. So I want to share with you guys a ton of my favorite combinations for salads, and I feel like I've mentioned it in all of the other videos, mainly the ones using like the iceberg lettuce or like the beginner. I kind of see it as beginner salads, intermediate type salads, and then like expert salads is kind of how I like to put it, because they're using different types of lettuce, maybe lettuce that most people don't really like spinach. I know a lot of people don't like spinach, but you have to get yourself used to the flavor of spinach. And I have like different combinations that I feel like really go nicely with different lettuces and veggies, maybe fruit. I am the kind of person, I'm sorry, maybe unpopular opinion, I hate fruits in salad. I hate it, unless it's a tomato. Is a tomato fruit or a veggie? Who knows? So this is another one of my super favorite, very easy, affordable, budget-friendly, cheap, healthy, clean eating salads. This one is going to be using my favorite mixed lettuce. So this, I say it all the time, I think it's super important to have dark leafy greens every single day, if not multiple times a day, but at least every single day, just for your skin, cleaning yourself out, all that goodness. So I love getting the spring mix because it's got a good variety of all the lettuces. You get a little bit of spinach in there, but it's not too bad. It's not like straight spinach. So this is kind of like an intermediate type salad. This salad, super easy. This is probably the fastest I've ever thrown a salad together. Yes, I'm filming this a different day because again, you can see what I look like in the rest of the video. I look like trash bags. So just wanted to film the intro and outro a different day when I don't look like I'm dying, so. This one's super easy. Again, it's just the spring mix lettuce. I'm actually sweating. Spring mix, tomatoes, onions, cheese. I think that's it. But I'll show you guys the ingredients. So let's get on into the salad. This is kind of like my intermediate, not so basic salad. So it's obviously a different day. We can ignore my finger. Cool. So I'm just making my salad. First, I'm gonna be putting in the mixed salad. This is what we're using for today, the spring mix. So I'm gonna have to poke through, or like sort through this. So I have to kind of sort through this pieces. I'm not really breaking them up today, only because I'm trying to be fast. I only have so much space left on my memory card right now, so I'm trying to be as fast as I can. I am trying to kind of look this over as I put it down on my plate. Like this one I don't like. Okay, I think that's a good amount. It looks like a lot. My mom, Madre, made some chicken in the oven, so I'm just adding some chicken. She nicely already cut this up for me. Everything is basically already cut up for me because she was just organizing it. So luckily it's gonna help me go faster. All right, so there's the chicken in there. And then I have all of my ingredients already cut up in here. So again, not too many ingredients for this one. We're basically just putting in tomatoes, olives, like fresh tomatoes, black olives, onions, carrots, and then she actually made salad dressing. So let's add a good amount of olives because I love olives. Some of these I wish they were cut a little smaller, but it's okay. Probably cut them up in my own plate. I wish these were smaller, but it's okay. Onions I can easily break apart. So they're a little smaller. I am actually eating some chicken Alfredo on the side, so I didn't want this salad to be too large, but this is just another one of my favorite recipes, especially with the spring mix. These are like my go-to ingredients for spring mix. All right, and so in the salad dressing that she made, I'm just gonna repeat what she says is in here because she made this without me. I have no idea what's in here. It's olive oil, vinaigrette, balsamic vinegar, and then she used the juice, like the liquid that came out of the black olive, so the black olive juice. Basil. Did you say garlic? Yes. Garlic, basil, oregano is all mixed in here. So we're gonna kind of mixy, and again, I'm running out of space on my memory card, so I'm trying to be fast. I can't open this, okay. And so I'm just gonna drizzle this over I'm gonna try to go with the light hand. My best. So I'm not adding any extra seasonings today just because there's seasonings added in here. And usually with spring mix, I do like to do a mix of olive oil and balsamic vinegar to make like a vinaigrette. And then I just add some seasoning. So it's basically what I would do anyways. The only extra thing is the garlic and the olive juice in here. So that's the salad. Yay. And there's how it's looking. Not too great because the light's off. Ooh, now we can kind of see a little better. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat this as I very quickly run out of space. Gotta get some of the chicken. A little bit of everything on my fork. Salad dressing is so good. So that is it for this salad recipe. Another one of my all-time favorite salad combinations for you guys. It's summertime. It's just that time of year when we start to eat a little bit lighter because it's so hot out and we want to keep that summer body. I'm still trying to lose weight. If you guys haven't been able to tell, I feel like I've done a very good job. Insanity how chunky I got, okay? Still trying to lose weight, still trying to be healthy, get myself back on that healthy track. You can't tell from me right now or me at this cycle because I'm also vlogging today, but I've actually lost so much weight. Like my collarbones are coming back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this other version of one of my favorite salad recipe combinations that's still very budget friendly. I know right now, filming this today, sitting down right now, and obviously already filming the salad together, we're still in quarantine, but the abundance, weirdly, has been fresh veggies, fruits and veggies, at least at my stores, have been in abundance. So it's still, at least around here, fairly easy to get all of these ingredients and they're very budget friendly, healthy, all that goodness. Give the video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it and you want to see some more of my healthy, stay fit, get that summer body recipes. Let me know in the comments below your guys' thoughts on this salad recipe and if you guys try it out or if you guys have tried any of the salads or any of the recipes that I've shared with you guys so far, or you can also let me know your favorite combo. But so this camera needs to charge, so I'm gonna let it charge. But so muchísimas gracias for watching este video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one because we're still trying to lose weight, still got my Fitbit, still going strong here in quarantine, still trying to keep it healthy, you know? So muchísimas gracias. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't yet. Like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit the little bell if that does anything. Okay, bye guys.